Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Let's see, it's Monday morning for you all. You'll have to look over me, I'm a mess. I just come down out of the woods. The wind finally laid enough to where hopefully you can hear me. We got a screaming little bottle baby out there. There's trees down everywhere, more than what there was. We have had more wind here lately than good gracious. But anyway, I told you a while back there, the fine folks at Grubterra, hopefully you can see that there. We've used their products before. They've got great products, folks. If your chickens are starting to molt and everything, it's good to give them. I believe it actually says on here, 34% minimum protein. But the one thing there that really, and as far as your eggs, where was that at that I seen that there? I'd like to show you. Right here, 75% more calcium than what mealworms have in them. Now these things, we were lucky enough 2 years ago, I believe it was, we actually caught, we had a little thing for black soldier flies and their larvae. If that there sounds too much, I'll do a voiceover. But we actually was able to catch some. Black soldier fly is a neat thing. It doesn't even have a mouth. Its sole purpose, it is flies around and lays its eggs, and it produces these larvae. And that's what is in here. Well, hello there. Come on over here. I'll give you some. And but like food waste, my gracious, I believe it even says on here a pound will eat 20 pounds of food waste. And this will help slick their feathers out. Donald, he must be inside. Yeah, I see him looking over. But it's a really good product, folks. Carolyn, she'll leave a link in the description telling you there about where you can order at. And I believe if you use that link, you'll get 10% off your purchase. Of course, these ones are dried. Ben, can you see there?
Yep.
And it's all the sizes vary. And that's basically, when we raised them that time, that's what they look like. And you could put in there like some fruit or something there, the rinds and everything. Lord have mercy, overnight. Cabbage leaves, lettuce leaves. Hello, Donald. As you can tell, your chickens love them. And it's good for them too. You get you another handful. Hold on. Here you go, ladies. And that calcium will help your eggshells out. More nutrition going into your eggs. What do you say, ladies? You give your approval? You're getting some age on you now, ain't you, buddy? Yep. Alrighty, folks. Winds are starting again. We just had got out of the woods. This week, get off. Luckily, we've got the goats kept up over here on one side because there is a huge, on the very top of the hill up there, pine tree. It's blowed the top out of it. Great day. It's probably 3 foot across up there, and it's right on the fence. So this week, get off work, be going working on that there. But of course, it's March. March is always notorious for the winds, but this was a few weeks ago. It come through really bad. Alrighty, ladies. Any of you want to say hi to the camera? Now, as it says on the bag there, folks, you give that to fish, chickens, birds, reptiles. This is a 1 pound bag here, so you're getting quite a bit there for your money. Good product. Check them out sometime. Grubterra. And like I said, Carolyn will leave the link in the description. Has wind there has blown dust in my eyes up there. Donald, I'll throw you a few over there. But nope, chicken treats, supplement them, help them out. Like to thank y'all for watching. Like to thank the good folks at Grubterra. Alrighty, folks. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Lord willing, be a seeing you Wednesday for What's for Supper Wednesday. And all the new subscribers that we've gotten, welcome to the channel. And I'd like to thank you for being part of the Holman's family here. Glad to have you. Thank you for watching.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holman's Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holman's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holman's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.